Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video. I made this beautiful drawstring gathered dress for my daughter and it looked so beautiful, and I thought that summer is coming and you will need this kind of style. You can also make this for an adult or a child, just as I've done for my daughter. See how pretty it looks on her. This is so beautiful. If this is what you love to learn, definitely keep on watching. See the back view. Everything just looks nice and comfortable. So without too much talking, let's quickly get to the honey of the video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. For a child, you will need about 1 yard of fabric. I don't know how many yards this is because somebody gifted my daughter this fabric, alright? And for adults, you will need as much as you can that is going to contain your size, alright? I don't know how many yards you are going to be needing. So I folded it into 2 for the front, and I folded the into 2 for the back also. So I went ahead to remove 4 inches upwards, and after that I went ahead to measure the full length plus 1 inch allowance, and that is what I'm marking right now. So I just removed 4 inches. You know, it's an off shoulder kind of dress, so I removed 4 inches upwards, and then I went ahead to measure the full length of the dress. And later on I used brought out my tape, measured the length that I had there, and then I took that on all other parts of the fabric just to make sure that everything is straight and clean. And then I went ahead to cut it out. So after that was done, I'm going to be trimming this other side also. The back is not meant to be longer than the front. The front and back are supposed to be the same size because it does not have any zipper. It's just going to be having rope at the shoulder. So at the side, at the open side, I went inward by 3 inches, and at the down part I'm going to be folding this upper part by about 1 inch. All right, I folded that in, and after folding I measured 3 inches downwards. So I'm just going to be connecting that with a curve, and I'm going to be cutting it out. So this part here is going to be the armhole area. All right, so once that is done, I'm just going to, you know, open it up, and at that armhole area I'm going to be knitting it up with a bias strip. All right, I'm just going to be knitting it up with a bias strip, which I have done here. I've already done that. Then after that I'm going to fold the top part with 1 inch allowance. So I'm going to just fold it in, trying to create something like a casing so that my rope can go through it. All right, I've created a rope. This is the second rope, is about 1.5 inches width, and you can do as long as you want. So I've done the 2 ropes now, and then I'm gonna ahead to fold the upper part with my 1 inch. So what I'm going to do now is that I added my safety pin to one side of the rope, and then I am going to just insert it into the dress. This dress is very simple and quick to make. You can make this in less than 30 minutes. Trust me, it is very simple, and it is very beautiful. So if you are new to my channel, you're welcome to the channel of beautiful people. On here we do everything DIY on garment making, any kind of clothes making, from corsetry to bustier to beading and what have you. And if you would love me to do any tutorial of your choice, you can put it on my community tab, or you drop it in the comment section down below. I really love to hear from you and hear your opinions. So I'm gonna head to so I'm doing the other part now, just putting my rope. My rope just removed there. That is why you have to be very careful, because this thing can be tricky, so you don't waste your time. So just make sure that you don't pull it too much so that your rope doesn't just come out the other side, and everything will just, you just have to start all over again, just like me. So I'm just trying to fold this fabric because it's a Kampala fabric and it's just, you know, standing up, so I want it to relax. That is why I'm folding it like that. So once you are done, you are basically done. You will just go to your sewing machine and sew the sides with about ½ inch or 1 inch seam allowance at the two sides, and this is how you are just going to neatly tie the rope on your child's body or on your own body. So after sewing the two sides, you are now going to sew the to knitting everything up. So once that is done, this was how it is looking at this point. I've already stitched it and I've turned it to the right side, and after putting it on my child, this was how beautiful it looked. Everybody loved this dress on her. Everybody was just greeting her left, right and center. Hey, fine girl, hey, fine girl. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a like. Till I see you in the next one, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye.